In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best car headlights available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the car headlights mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Philips Ultinon Rally 3551 LED Bulbs. The Philips Ultinon Rally 3551 LED Max Power Headlight Bulbs offer exceptional performance with up to 1,500 hours of lifespan. Featuring a 6500K white light and high lumen output, these bulbs enhance visibility for safer nighttime driving. Installation is quick and easy with the plug-and-play design, making them a hassle-free upgrade for most vehicles. Reliable and durable, they're perfect for tackling various driving conditions. Get the trusted quality of Philips at an incredible 60% discount today. Number 4, OSRAM LEDriving HL LED Bulbs. Upgrade your vehicle's lighting with OSRAM LEDriving HL Super Bright Headlight Bulbs. Delivering 50% more brightness and 80% wider beam coverage than halogen headlights, these bulbs ensure excellent road visibility. Their compact, easy-to-install design offers durability with resistance to weather, temperature, and vibrations. Ideal for enhancing safety and driving comfort, they're a reliable choice for modern drivers. Now available at 56% off, it's an affordable way to enhance your driving experience with cutting-edge lighting technology. Number 3, Direal H15G2H7 LED Bulbs. Direal H15G2H7 LED CAN bus headlight bulbs provide outstanding brightness with advanced LED technology. Boasting an IP68 waterproof rating, they're reliable in harsh weather. Safety certified with DOT ECE and CE compliance, these bulbs are designed for peace of mind. Easy to install with a plug-and-play design, they're a practical solution for upgrading your car's lighting system. Perfect for any driving conditions, they ensure excellent visibility and durability. Get these high-performance bulbs now at 57% off. Number 2, NLpear 3" by LED Headlights. NLpear 3" by LED projector headlights deliver superior brightness with 40,000 lm luminous flux. Designed to handle extreme conditions, they operate from -40 to 90 degrees Celsius and feature a super turbo fan for efficient heat dissipation. The IP68 waterproof and dustproof grade ensures durability in any environment. Ideal for drivers seeking reliable and powerful lighting, these headlights provide exceptional road coverage. Upgrade your car's lighting today and enjoy premium performance at an impressive 59% discount. Number 1, High-Power LED Headlight Fog Light Kit. The High-Power LED Headlight Fog Light Kit combines efficiency and durability. Featuring an advanced heat dissipation system and a strong canvas for compatibility, these lights are built for extended use. The plug-and-play design ensures quick and hassle-free installation, while excellent waterproof and dustproof performance makes them ideal for various road conditions. Perfect for enhancing driving safety, this kit offers unbeatable value at 58% off, delivering reliable lighting solutions for modern vehicles.